Welcome to our channel. Today, we talk about the 2027 Audi Q-Sphere motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscriber, so hit the subscribe button. Also drop a comment which motorhome will be next. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 Audi Q-Sphere is a masterclass in aero-aesthetic design and geometric violence. Draped in a stunning solar orange liquid metal finish, the body is a seamless sculpture crafted from reinforced carbon fiber and lightweight aerospace alloys that shimmer with incredible depth. As you can see from the image, this Titan rests on a specialized heavy-duty six-wheel configuration featuring 3 sets of high-performance axles that provide absolute stability for this massive rig. These 24-inch forged wheels feature an intricate turbine blade design and are finished in a deep matte black, providing a menacing contrast to the vibrant orange hull. The front fascia is a bold evolution of Audi's iconic single-frame grille, now featuring a fully digital crystalline surface and ultra-slim digital matrix headlamps that can project symbols onto the road ahead. One of the most striking features is the stark white LED lighting system that traces the sharp contours of the air intakes, the lower chassis, and the massive rear diffuser, giving it a signature tech luxe aesthetic. The silhouette is dominated by an aerodynamic dual-deck design, including a massive panoramic glass fuselage that wraps into the cockpit. With its active rear wings, solar panel roof integration, and glowing white Audi rings, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-tech mobile command center designed for the next century of luxury travel. Interior. Step inside through the motorized Skygate door and you are immediately welcomed into the Sphere Sanctuary, a world of brilliant solar orange leather, polished obsidian stone, and pure white laser lighting. Kitchen. The culinary studio is a minimalist masterpiece featuring a waterfall edge countertop made of rare black Portero marble with integrated invisible induction surfaces. It is equipped with a professional-grade convection oven, a hidden refrigeration vault, and custom orange lacquer cabinetry that opens silently with a biometric touch, all illuminated by crisp white LED accents. Washroom. The Infinity Spa is a sanctuary of textured black slate and frosted smart glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with a built-in steam room and white therapeutic lighting. The vanity is carved from a single block of matte black stone, and the smart mirror provides a high-definition display of the vehicle's vital systems and water filtration levels in vibrant graphics. Bedroom. Located at the rear of the upper deck, the Celestial Suite features a king-size memory foam mattress wrapped in solar orange Alcantara with white diamond stitching. The room is surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that offer a 360-degree view, switching from crystal clear to total blackout privacy with a single voice command. LED screen view. Integrated into the forward bulkhead is a monumental 90-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital window, projecting a live 360-degree feed of the outside world, or transforming the entire lounge into a private 12K IMAX theater for movie nights under the stars. Sofas view. The primary seating area features dual Sovereign-class modular sofas wrapped in premium solar orange leather with striking white contrast piping. These sofas feature zero-gravity reclining, hot stone massage functions, and built-in haptic feedback that vibrates to the rhythm of your favorite music or the engine's whisper-quiet power. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is the brain of the Q-Sphere. The dashboard is a single seamless digital Audi virtual cockpit that integrates thermal night vision and Level 5 AI pilot controls. The steering wheel is a futuristic orange leather-wrapped yoke with haptic touchpads and a central white glowing Audi hub, putting the full power of German innovation right in your palms. Performance. Underneath the solar orange armor lies a triple-motor quattro electric powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,400 horsepower and 15,000 pound-feet of torque. This enables the 2027 Audi Q-Sphere to reach 60 miles per hour in a physics-defying 4.4 seconds, unheard of for a six-wheel rig of this magnitude. It features all-wheel independent steering for incredible maneuverability in tight city spaces and an active, predictive air suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second to neutralize every bump. With its high-capacity solid-state batteries and solar recovery skin, this rig offers a massive 850-mile range with zero emissions, proving that the future of travel is clean, reliable, and incredibly powerful. Current 2026 pricing. Bespoke German engineering on this scale is an investment in absolute prestige. For those placing orders in 2026 for the 2027 delivery, the Audi Q-Sphere starts at a base MSRP of $3.9 million. However, the Apex Performance Edition we've explored today, with the full orange marble interior, the 90-inch micro-LED wall, and the high-output 1,400 HP upgrade, carries a final price of $5.55 million. It is a significant investment, but for an Audi that is essentially a mobile private estate, it is a value that will last a lifetime. The 2027 Audi Q-Sphere is a bold statement that the future of travel is clean, powerful, and incredibly luxurious. It proves that you can have 1,400 horsepower and a two-story master suite in one stunning orange and white package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most advanced mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this Audi full-time? Until next time, stay legendary, and we'll see you on the road.